What if your website feels like a retro experience every time you scroll? In today's tutorial, we'll design a retro-style website in Figma using Parallax scroll animation. No plugins, no confusion, just smart design and smooth motion. Let's bring retro vibes to modern UI design. I've already created the website design beforehand, so we don't waste time on the basic layout. Now, let's start working on the visual details. First, create a shadow for the camera image using the pen tool. Then draw a custom shape like this, then apply a suitable color to it. After that, add a layer blur effect. Using the progressive option, adjust the blur to achieve a smooth shadow look. Now, reduce the opacity of this color to 40%. Next, place the shadow layer behind the camera image and group both of them together. Now, bring this group into the desktop frame and position it properly. Reduce the size of the camera and set its appearance to 0%. Then, duplicate this frame and paste it beside the first one. In this new frame, set the camera appearance to 100%, increase its size, and rotate it to -30 degrees. Next, duplicate the frame again and paste it next to it. Here, remove clip content from the frame. Now, move the main text to the top. Place the bottom content inside the frame like this. Then, rotate the camera to -90 degrees and adjust it properly within the frame. After that, duplicate the frame again and paste it beside it. Move the content upward and adjust the camera placement. Once again, duplicate the frame, move the content to the top, and adjust the image accordingly. This time, set the camera rotation back to 0 degrees and resize it properly. Next, duplicate the frame again. Move the content upward and align the camera inside the content area. Now, duplicate the frame one last time. Bring both the content and the camera together at the top. After selecting all the frames, enable clip content again. And now, the design part is complete. Now it's time for prototyping. I'll connect the frames using On-Click Smart Animate Custom Bezier. Duration, 2,200 milliseconds. For the Bezier values, set 0.49 minus 0.01, 0.09. 1. Connect all the frames using the same method. Now, let's check the final result. Amazing. Our Parallax scroll animation looks really smooth and visually impressive. Let me know in the comments how you liked this video. If you have any tutorial suggestions, feel free to comment. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.